Well, I got an amazing product to show you today. These are a set of solar outdoor lamps. And there's so many things that I love about these particular lights. Number one is their solar clips. Look, check that out. I've never seen a light like that. So you could attach this to a pole, a tree, a shelf, wherever. Now, the back side here, that is a solar panel. So as long as it's getting some sunshine, this charges. No batteries required. This, as you can see, is the front. This is what lights up. Comes in a 2-pack. Also, you get a remote control for each C charging cable. These can be charged, like I mentioned, solar, the C plug, or USB, and that just plugs in right here. Also comes with a couple hanging options. We have hooks. So these could be placed on a window, and then you can see on the back here, that would just hook, and it includes 4, so hangs like that. So this would be hanging against the window as such, getting the sunshine, and then this would be shining, indoors or however you want it to shine. So let me just show you. There are 3 different modes. Mode number 1, what happens is it's a real dim light, but if it detects motion, it goes high beam for 13 seconds. Mode 2, it's full brightness for 13 seconds, when motion's detected, and then it just shuts off completely. Mode 3, it senses once it gets dark, the light turns on just like dimly throughout the night until the morning when it shuts off. You could either do the modes by hitting the red button here, and you just hit it once, twice, or 3 times. Or on the remote control itself, it has mode 1, 2, or 3. But what's great is I just turned them off. With the remote, we have the white light. We could change that light to a more, you can see, more like a yellow. I forget what they call that. I'm blind. A neutral, and then a warm. And it also has, we can do 50% or 100% as far as the brightness goes. So we could turn them down or turn them up. Also, it has a timer. So if you want to set it for 3-hour, 5-hour, 8-hour, simply press the button, and then if we set 3 hours, after 3 hours, these will just shut off. But really useful because of the ease of hanging with that clip. We just turn these off. I want to show you one other option. It comes with these brackets here. So the bracket would be, and we have screws right here. This would be screwed, let's say, to a wall as such. And then the light itself, you'll see on the back here, this just slides right onto this little rail here. I'll just slide that on, and then, as such. And then that would be screwed And then we get sunshine, and then the light shines down. So lots of different options as far as, mounting. Great product.